Hello everyone, welcome back to our new episode of Learn Turkish with Turkish series. Based on the many requests and comments from you, we are continuing the series with Love for Rent. If you like it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to avoid missing future episodes. Enjoy the video. Do not get me wrong.
Sakın yanlış anlama.
Sakın yanlış anlama.
In this scene.
Sakın.
Means don't. This is used to strongly emphasize the warning. It is used in Turkish to add strong emphasis to a warning, similar to how separating do and not in English adds a stronger emphasis.
Yanlış.
Means wrong. This word is used to describe something incorrect or mistaken.
Anlama.
Means understand. This is the verb to understand in its imperative form, meaning understand. The exact translations of these words do not match the English sentence word for word. The full English sentence would be, do not get me wrong.
Sakın yanlış anlama.
Were you able to get used to? I got used to.
Alışabildin mi? Alıştım.
Alışabildin mi? Alıştım.
In this scene.
Alışabildin.
Means you could get used to. This is the past tense form of the verb.
Alışmak.
With the ability suffix, meaning you could get used to.
Mi?
This is a question particle used in Turkish to indicate that the sentence is a question.
Alıştım.
Means I got used to. This is the past tense and first person singular form of the verb.
Alışmak.
Meaning to get used to.
Alışabildin mi? Alıştım.
Hello, I am Defne.
Merhaba, ben Defne.
Merhaba, ben Defne.
In this scene.
Merhaba.
Means hello. This is a common greeting used in Turkish. It can be used in both formal and informal situations.
Ben.
Means I. This is the first person singular pronoun meaning I, and in this context, it implies I am.
Defne.
This is a proper noun, a female name. It is also the Turkish word for laurel, a type of tree.
Merhaba, ben Defne.
Of course, I am curious.
Merak ediyorum tabii.
Merak ediyorum tabii.
In this scene.
Merak.
Means curiosity. This is a noun that means curiosity or interest.
Ediyorum.
Means I am doing. This is an auxiliary verb in Turkish. In this context, it combines with
Merak.
to form,
Merak ediyorum.
which means I am curious or I am wondering.
Tabii.
Means, of course. This word is used to express agreement or obviousness, similar to of course in English. It is often used as
Tabii ki.
but in everyday usage, the
Ki.
is sometimes omitted.
Merak ediyorum tabii.
That's all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave any questions you have in the comments. See you in the next one.